If you're experiencing the CS2 Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to saving your progress in the game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official game server status page or community forums to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close CS2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that might be causing the cloud save error. Step 3. Verify game files. Open your game launcher and navigate to the game library. Right-click on CS2 and select the option to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check cloud save settings. Ensure that cloud saving is enabled in your game settings. Go to the settings menu, find the cloud save option, and make sure it is turned on. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling CS2. This can fix any underlying issues with the installation that might be causing the cloud save error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cloud Save Error 2025 and continue enjoying your game. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.